Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now let us look at this tricky exponential equation. And the trick here, 3x minus 1 raised to x minus 1 equals 1. Okay, now we all know that for any exponent to give us 1, it's either the base is 1 and the base is 1, or the exponent is 0, because we know that if 1 raised to the power of any number, it gives us 1. And if a number, irrespective of what it is, raised to 0, let me just say, then that will also give us what? 1. Okay. So, in this case now, first of all, the first one here will give us x minus 1 must be 0. Okay? Alright, the next one is the base. Okay? Will also be equals to what? 1. So here we have 3x minus 1 equals what? 1. So these are the two conditions that must be satisfied to ensure that we have 1. So let us resolve both the first and the second equation. Now for this first equation here, all we need to do is to add 1 to both sides. So here we have x minus 1 plus 1 equals 0 plus 1. Then x will give us what? 1. So at this point here, the second one, 3x minus 1, then we just need to add 1 to both sides, plus 1 equals 1 plus 1. So here we have 3x equals 2, because minus 1 plus 1 gives us 0. So we can just divide both sides of the equation by 3. Now this eliminates this, so our x here equals 2 all over what? 3. So the two values of x that satisfy the equation is 1 and 2 all over 3. Please like my page, subscribe to my channel, and ensure you share this video with other learners. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.